reduce max multiplied by 1. And multiply by the derivative with respect to x. Hold it, I can't read my writing. And multiply by the derivative with respect to x of the square root of nothing. I got to multiply the derivative of the secant of that garbage, because the secant is what was initially being raised to the fourth power, which was the previous function I just differentiated. I'll restate that then. Since I just differentiated the fourth power. Since I just differentiated the fourth power function, Since I just differentiated the fourth power function, I think what I need to differentiate by next with a chain rule is the derivative of whatever was initially being raised to the fourth power, which is the secant of the square root of this garbage. I might be writing too much. You might be skipping some of these steps. I'm just in front of the entire class showing my steps. But this is, oh, for secant cube root stuff. Okay, let's dive in. I think the outermost function is the secant function. Differential secant of anything I get. Secant of that thing times the tangent of the thing. If you said secant squared, you're saying a differential tangent function. And I'm going to multiply by the derivative. Is that 1 minus x cubed? Square root. No. It's the square root of 1 minus x cubed, because that's what I was actually taking the secant of, which is the most previous function I differentiated. Oh, let's keep going. I guess that gives me 4 secant to the fourth of root 1 minus x cubed times the tangent of root 1 minus x cubed.
It's 4 secant to the third.
I can hear you.
4 secant to the third.
It's 1 over 2.
In your first, you wrote 4 secant to the fourth. It's the third.
Because 3 plus 1 is...
Oh.
I combine. And to differentiate the square root of anything you get. 1 over 2 times root that stuff. It's just the chain rule says I got to multiply the derivatives of x of what I was taking the square root of. Oh, by the way, that just gives me 4 secant to the fourth of root stuff. Tangent of root stuff times 1 over 2 root stuff. Very nice. Or how about more concisely? Is this just simply a negative 12x squared tangent of root stuff secant to the fourth of root stuff all over 2 root stuff? You guys, I just noticed I couldn't this any further. I should have canceled the factor of 2 upstairs and downstairs. I didn't even see it. Good. That means I get to say yes when I go home this week and I grade. No. Help me. Quotient or product rule?
Neither.
Neither. You should apply your math D and E skills first and rewrite this as sine squared of x over no calculus, which is just
Tangent squared of x.
oh shoot, piece of cake. Y prime is 2 tangent of x times the derivative with respect to x. What I was squaring. Which, by the way, is nothing more than 2 tangent of x times secant of x times, excuse me.
Secant squared of x.
That's just a one-liner. Yes, you can still get the same answer. You might have the answer written in terms of sines and cosines, but it could be equivalent. And I cannot nail you on that. We just did a lot more work than that. You just like talking. Are you okay with that? Oops. You don't have to listen to me. Christian, you don't have to listen to me. I mean, you could have used a quotient rule. That's fine. It's the same.
No, but I made a mistake. I didn't get that final answer.
Oh, gotcha.
If you did use it, what would you have ended up with? I got 2 sine x over cosine cubed x.
Cosine what?
Cosine cubed x.
Well, isn't that what this is? This is 2 times sine of x over cosine of x times 1 over the cosine of x twice. But that's just simply 2 sine of x, like you just said, over cosine cubed of x. The same answer, just looks different. And you did a lot more work to get there than I did. But you're not wrong. I can't doctor them.
It's different, like,
It's just different looking at it. Was this a happy quiz? The sad quiz or really suicidal quiz?
No, this is one of your easier quizzes.
Oh,